Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I'm going to share with you today what we had for dinner this week, so I hope you will enjoy. Okay friends, on Wednesday the 2nd, we had Caprese stuffed chicken, and what Mike and I have been doing starting this year is alternating days cooking, so it takes the load off of both of us, and it's been pretty nice, because we all each have a free night. And so what he did was he cut a chicken breast, made 3 slits in it, and he added fresh mozzarella, tomato, and spinach. He cooked it, and then he topped with fresh basil. I had vitamin water for the first time, and not really a fan of it, but I wanted to give it a try, but this was absolutely delicious. Now, on Thursday, we had our go-to. You all know Mike and I love our bourbon salmon along with the Caesar salad. You might see these just about every week in my What's for Dinners because we love it. And it's so simple to make and it's so delicious. And I'm always having a second piece that I could take for lunch, which makes the lunch extra special that next day. So this is one of my go-to favorite meals to have. So when Friday came around, no one wanted to cook. We were just ready to watch a nice movie and enjoy the weekend. And so we went by our favorite restaurant, Gilligans, and picked up our favorite salad so that we can come home and hit the theater room and enjoy a movie. And so what we had was our typical love is the salad. And it's spinach with scallops and eggs and onions. And it's just a yummy salad. And it's also extremely filling. So this is what I got along with Mike, and we really enjoyed it. Now on Saturday, we had steak and shrimp fajitas, and this is basically just shrimp and steak and a fajitas kind of mixed sauce with red bell pepper. Really simple to make, really easy to make, and really filling. And the thing about it is we had a ton of this left over, so it led to Sunday leftovers, which is good because then you don't have to do too much cooking on the weekend. So we love that about it, and I didn't mind having it as leftovers again because they're really delicious and really yummy. So this is what we had for dinner on Sunday also. Now when Monday came around, we had an extremely busy day. Mike and I had late conference calls later that evening, so when we got home it was really late, so we just threw one of the frozen pizzas in the oven. It was a spinach pizza, and called it a day. We basically were just trying to get something in our stomach because it was a totally crazy day. And so this is what we had for dinner on Monday. So not the best of eating, but it got something in the bellies. So on Tuesday I was traveling on business and didn't get home till about the middle of the night, and so we had just stopped on the road and got Five Guys the burger. And so I know not the best of meals, but we were just trying to get home. But Mike was at home, so he had cooked dinner that night, and he has really been stepping up his game with cooking. He is a griller. He can grill anything, but I have been loved seeing the things that he goes online and then he tries in the kitchen. And so this is one with sausage and pasta, and I was able to have it for lunch the next day. And then back to Wednesday, back to our salmon and salad. Friends, I am serious when I say that we have this often because it's so good, it's so simple, and Mike and I, we just love it. So that is again what we prepared on Wednesday for dinner, and it was, as always, so delicious. I mean, I love this, and I'm always loving taking that first bite on the corner of the salmon. It is like the best thing ever. So friends, that is what we had this week. I hope you have enjoyed seeing our meals for the week, and if you enjoy these videos, let me know, and I'll be sure to try to get this out to you every week. Also, if you missed my garage organization video, I'll link that below. Please definitely check that out. It was so much fun to share with you, and it was so much fun to go in the process of updating our garage, and we have truly been loving it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, friends, so definitely click that subscribe button. Have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.